Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Cloud out of date. So it will be easy tutorial. First of all, we need to do some changes in our settings for us to be able to solve this issue. For this, you can either decide to use the Steam app or the Steam website. I will use the Steam software. So make sure that you have Steam downloaded on your PC. You can get the download from their website. Now click on the search bar, just search for Steam and click on it to open. Once in, please ensure that you are logged into your account. It will now bring you here. You will see all the store game suggestions. Right here at the top left corner we have Steam. Go ahead, click on it to open. From these options we have settings, just tap on it to open. Now scroll down where we have cloud and you can see it, click on it. You will see this option written enable Steam Cloud. Just enable it by clicking on this button. Disable for games that doesn't work. Also ensure that you delete web cache and Steam downloads cache. And that's pretty much it. That's how to fix Steam Cloud out of date. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.